I'm going to put a picture of what we're trying to do today. Good luck. That's what we're going for. If we're going to get it, I do not know. Alright, so hey everybody, it's Smiley and I'm back today for another video. So I recently purchased a new eyeshadow palette and we're going to unbox it real quick. It's called Circo Loco palette. It's a Circo Loco palette by, I think this is the most that I have ever spent on any palette in my life. Okay. Does anybody know why these palettes are so expensive? These palettes by Natasha Denona. I don't really know. But anyway, so I bought this palette. And so I'm just gonna kind of do like a swatch. And then also I saw online where they have this really cool look that they did for the eyeshadow on, I think it's on Sephora's website. So I bought this from Sephora. And so I saw this really nice look that they had kind of like to advertise this palette. And so I want to kind of challenge my skills and try to recreate that look. We'll see how it goes. So got the palette, and then also palette is nothing without brushes and the proper equipment, which would be this right here. So I decided to buy some more brushes. Like I do have a blending brush that I purchased maybe a year or so ago from Morphe, and it's done an amazing job. I absolutely love that blending brush. And so I figured that since I was going to try to recreate this look that I saw on Sephora, there are obviously some brushes that I have that don't necessarily do that job. So I had to buy a couple more brushes so that I could actually complete this look. So hopefully everything goes well with it and we're able to accomplish it, because I think we got everything that we need now. We got all our equipment. So anyway, this is what I got from Morphe, and it's called I Obsessed. It's got a bunch of different brushes in here that will help you out as far as doing your makeup. Crease brushes, on and on. So I don't want to go through and list them all, but it's got a listing of all the brushes on the back here. So just like a nice little kit, you know, if you're going like out of town or wherever and you just need like a little convenient little bag to carry your stuff in. I thought this was neat, so I was like, well, I'll go ahead and get this set of eye brushes. It already comes in a pack already, so that's like super nice. So I'm like, well, I'll just go ahead and get this, as opposed to, you know, sometimes you want to go and try to get individual brushes, like, well, I only need this one and that one. But I figured, why not just go ahead and buy a whole little packet. So and these are my thoughts. So I am going to pick out the brushes that I think I'm going to need. And then of course, since we're here, I think it's only right. I think it only makes sense to also do a color swatch as well. So we'll do that in this video too. And I just did my little buns right now. So I'm still waiting for, I feel like my hair is growing out a little bit, but I'm still waiting for it to go back to the length that it was prior to being cut. But in the meantime, you know, this is what I normally would do anyway, is like wet it, and then if I don't wash it, then I would wet it and then kind of like put it in some little buns, and that kind of helps to lengthen the hair so it's not so short and curled. So just kind of lengthen the curls by doing the little buns. And of course, as you all know, I like to do my eyeshadow before I do my foundation. That's normally what I would do. So that's what I'm doing right now. Alright, so let's see how this palette looks. So it's no different on the front. It's the same thing as the outside packaging here. And this is the palette right there. That's really pretty. And it might help if I take the plastic off. Duh. But yeah, so that's the palette right there. Really pretty and really colorful. And I feel like some of these colors I already have. So I guess we will do a swatch right quick. So this is the swatch right here for most of the eyeshadows in this palette. But because my arm is not that long, I can't fit them all. So I'm just gonna wipe my arm clean and then we'll just do the remaining 3 for this swatch. All right, so there you have it, everybody. Those are the 3 remaining colors for this palette. I'm gonna put a picture of what we're trying to do today. Good luck. That's what we're going for. If we're gonna get it, I do not know. Okay, the colors we're gonna be using: Snow Cone, Cotton Candy, Flip is in there as well, and Act are the colors we're gonna use for the look today. So wish me luck, because I might just end up looking crazy. But you know, it wouldn't be the first time. Like, me and technique, I don't know that the technique's there, because like I told you all, I didn't lie in one of my videos. I've only really blended like 2 colors ever in my life. So this will be interesting to see how it turns out. So first, it looks kind of like, and I did put some primer on my eye. It looks like kind of settled a little bit there. But, and I don't know that this look is gonna look the same on me, because obviously the model is a different skin tone than I am. So I'm just gonna do like, and it's almost going like up. Yeah, I don't know if this is going to be as visible on my skin, but we're gonna try it. I'm gonna do the other side. And I know like some people like to do one side first and then they go and they do the other side, but I'm gonna try to do them both at the same time. About to have me looking crazy. Hopefully this video is entertaining for you all, because I'm about to look like a clown. A straight up clown. Clowns entertain though, right? I look foolish. I look real foolish. And I know y'all like, where is this going? The next color that I'm seeing in this picture is called Fun to Mime. So we're gonna do that color next. All right. And so this one is kind of going in like the corner of the eye to like midways. The eyelid. So kind of like there. That's really vibrant and colorful right there. And then it just kind of leads up a little bit. This look is so dramatic. Alright, so that is that color. And then the next color that I see is it looks like Flip kind of. So let's see. Flip, 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 flip. Anybody know that song? Doom, 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 doom. This one is going here. And then I feel like, oops, this color is kind of in the background here. Okay, this is kind of like my blending brush right here. All right. Okay, so underneath the eye, looks like they're using, to me it looks like they're using the color Act. It's gonna go underneath here. For the most part, this is gonna be purple. Can't tell me I'm not a raccoon in these streets. Don't pay any attention to my mouth, because I know my mouth be looking crazy. Am I missing any colors here? How does that look? So I think this side right here, I need to kind of fix this a little bit. I am not a makeup artist at all. Never said I was one though. How does that look? I don't know how I feel about it yet. Anyway, this was my attempt at trying to get the look that they have on Sephora. I'm gonna go through and I am gonna take the foundation and kind of clean up on these edges here because it looks kind of a mess right now. So I'm not looking like an entire fool out here. But I think overall, we did a pretty good job of like trying to attain the look. I'm just gonna zoom in and let you all see it. And I know I got a little bit of fallout there, but we're gonna take care of that. All that's gonna be taken care of once I put the foundation on. So that's the look that I have right now. Is there anything else that I need to use? Snow cone. I feel like snow cone, I felt it was a color that we didn't use. So we used Fun to Mime, but we didn't use snow cone. So this is gonna be the last color that we put on our eyes. And I don't really know if these particular brushes are even meant to be used in the way that I'm using them. I'm just kind of going with what I think works. It's gonna kind of go on top of here. And we're gonna put it in the corner. So I was wondering, I was like, this look really doesn't have the kind of pop that it has in that picture. And I'm like, I don't know why. I did a little bit different with the look because I think snow cone was probably supposed to be the color going up this way, but we used Fun to Mime. But you know what, like, it'll be okay. It is not gonna be the end of the world because we use a slightly different color. And so that's how our look is right there. So I'm gonna let you all zoom in right quick. And then I'm gonna kind of try to build out this pink a little bit more. But I get the feeling that the pink is just not gonna show up as well. You know? That is the look right there, or at least as close as I can get to the look right there. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna get my foundation, like I said, clean this up a little bit more and try to get the rest of my face looking right. And hopefully, like for right now, I feel like I look stupid. Let me know in the comments if you all think that I look stupid right now. And I don't know, just let me know what y'all think about this look. If this was a slam or if this was a sham. Yeah, for somebody that really does not do eyeshadow a lot, I think I did a really good job personally. We're gonna go and try to get it cleaned up and go from there. So I'll be right back. All right, so hey everybody, this is the final look right here. So I just did like a new lipstick. Thank you all again so much for watching. Thank you all so much for supporting. I hope that you all give this video a like. Let me know in the comments what you all think about this look, if I did a good job, if I didn't. I know my makeup skills are not up to par, but hopefully, you know, this is at least a close imitation of what we see online. That was the point, again, to show you all what it looks like here. But anyway, thank you all again so much for watching. Thank you all again so much for supporting, and I will see you all for the next video.